Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to make this beautiful lace coaster. We'll be using Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn, along with a sewing needle, scissors, and a crochet hook. Let's start crocheting together. First, we'll begin with a chain stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook once. Pinch this crossing point with your thumb. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is a starting chain, which doesn't count as a stitch. Now let's look at the chain stitch technique. Yarn over and pull through the loop. That's one chain stitch. We need to make a total of 9 chain stitches. 2, 3, 4. After completing 9 chain stitches, we'll work into the first chain stitch. Make 1 slip stitch here to join the ends, forming a circle. Then work 24 single crochets into this ring. To make a single crochet, insert hook through the ring, pull up a loop. Now there are 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops at once. That's 1 single crochet. You can hide the yarn tail as you work. Let me demonstrate again. Insert hook through the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. That's 2 single crochets already. Follow this pattern to complete 24 single crochets. You can finish this round on your own. When we're halfway through, before all stitches are completed and approaching the end, we can gently pull the stitch forward. This creates more space for us to continue crocheting. Continue working 24 single crochets in this ring. After completing 24 single crochets, make a slip stitch in the first single crochet position. If you can't easily find the first stitch, count backward to locate it. Each V shape represents 1 stitch. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch, insert hook directly through the stitch loop, and pull through without yarn over. Now we'll work the second round. Start with 3 chain stitches, replacing the first double crochet, then chain 3, skip 1 single crochet stitch, and work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Let's review the double crochet technique. Yarn over, insert hook through the stitch. Pull up a loop, 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through remaining 2 loops. That completes 1 double crochet. After completing the double crochet, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, then work another double crochet in the next stitch. The pattern for this group, work 1 double crochet in each single crochet stitch from previous round, chain 3, skip 1 stitch. Work double crochet in third stitch, chain 3, follow this pattern for 12 groups total. 3 groups are done, 9 remaining. Complete this round on your own. After finishing the last 3 chains of the second round, join with a slip stitch to the third chain of the beginning chain. After slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off the yarn. Now we'll work the third round. Find any chain 3 space, insert hook through it, pull up a loop, then work 1 chain stitch as beginning chain, not counted in stitch count. Work 1 single crochet in the same stitch. chain 3, then work 1 single crochet in the next chain 3 space. The pattern for this round, work 1 single crochet in each chain 3 space from previous round. Complete 12 groups total, chain 3 plus single crochet. 2 groups done, 10 remaining. Complete this round on your own. After finishing the last 3 chains, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. After slip stitch, chain 3, replacing first double crochet, then work 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space below. Carry along the yarn tail while crocheting to hide it as you go. Move to next single crochet position, work 1 double crochet, then 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. For the 4th round, work 1 double crochet in each single crochet position from previous round, and 3 double crochets in each chain 3 space. Repeat around. 2 groups completed so far, 1 DC, plus 3 DCS, 12 groups total, 10 remaining. Complete this round on your own. After finishing the last 3 double crochets, join with slip stitch to the 3rd chain of previous chain 3 space. After joining, chain 1, then break the yarn. Now we'll work the 5th round. Find any double crochet stitch, insert hook through it, and pull up a loop. Work 1 chain, not counted, then 1 single crochet in same stitch. Chain 1 here replaces an incomplete double crochet. We'll work another incomplete DC in next position. Let's check the incomplete double crochet technique. Yarn over, insert hook into stitch. Pull up loop, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. This makes 1 incomplete double crochet. Now work another incomplete DC in next stitch. Yarn over, insert hook through stitch. Pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now 3 loops remain on hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. This completes a bobble stitch made of 3 incomplete double crochets. After completing, work 1 chain stitch. Then, group 3 stitches together to make a bobble stitch with 3 incomplete double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now including the chain loop, there are 4 loops on hook. Pull through all 4 loops at once, then work 1 chain stitch after completing. For the 5th round pattern, group every 3 double crochet stitches to make 1 bobble stitch, 3 incomplete DCS, with 7 chains between, total 16 groups. 2 groups done, 14 remaining to complete on your own. After finishing the last 7 chains, join with slip stitch to the first bobble stitch position. Join with slip stitch, then chain 1, and fasten off yarn. Now for the 6th round, find any chain loop, insert hook through it, and pull through yarn. Work 1 chain stitch as turning chain, not counted in stitch count. Make 1 single crochet in same position, then 2 chains. Next work 1 double crochet followed by 2 chains on the chain loop below. Repeat this 5 times. After completing 5 groups, make 1 single crochet with 2 chains on next chain space. Continue working 5 groups, DC, plus 2 CH, on next chain loop. Follow this pattern to complete. Total 8 groups in this round, complete remaining on your own. After last 2 chains, join with slip stitch to previous single crochet, then chain 1 and fasten off. Starting 7th round, find position left of any single crochet, insert hook and pull through yarn. Work 1 chain stitch as turning chain, not counted in stitch count. Make 1 single crochet in same stitch, then 4 chains, work single crochet in next to CH space followed by 4 chains. Then in positions 1, 2, 3. Each of these 3 positions work 1 single crochet, 4 chains. After completion, work single crochet in the hole to the right of this single crochet. This completes 1 pattern. Repeat. Here we've made 1 single crochet plus another single crochet, then continue working single crochet with 4 chains at this position. Follow this pattern to complete the entire round. After last single crochet, join with slip stitch to previous single crochet, then chain 1 and fasten off yarn. And that's how we complete this coaster. We can weave in the yarn tails at the back, which should look like this when done. The front looks like this, and the whole coaster is nice and flat. That's all for this video. See you later.